A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade.
All right, everyone, we've got some intense courtroom moments to break down today, and things definitely got heated. In this case, a self-proclaimed sovereign citizen tried to argue that he's not a person, but some kind of legal entity. As you might guess, the judge wasn't buying it for a second. Courts only recognize real individuals, so this kind of argument holds no legal weight. The judge's response? Direct and sharp. And honestly, it's a moment worth watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. What do you make of this unusual defense strategy? And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more courtroom coverage. Let's jump right into it.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not
No.
an etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you, all right? Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024, God willing, all right?
Likewise.
I really enjoy watching this judge. In action, his sarcasm is sharp, and honestly, it's one of the most effective ways to deal with these so-called sovereign citizens. You can actually see them start to fall apart when he calmly throws their arguments right back at them. It's both fascinating and, yes, a little entertaining. I'll be posting the second half of this hearing tomorrow. And trust me, it only gets more unbelievable. So, be sure to stay tuned for that. But for now, I've got another courtroom clip lined up, and this one takes things to a whole new level. We've got another sovereign citizen trying to argue his way out, and his claims are even more far-fetched. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoy this kind of legal drama, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, let's dive in.
What's your name, sir?
I am Moore.
Moore?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's
Yes,
not my
ma'am.
name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am Moore. I'm here on special representation. I'm asking
Same as last defendant, Your Honor.
my honor. I'm asking
Okay.
what is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Or everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your.
So, Deputy,
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your
so
nationality.
he has charges in jots and he has a paper charges. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay.
So I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And so, what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States.
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again,
Is he deputy?
status of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the courtroom.
Is he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen?
Can you provide me with the information?
Both.
I honestly can't tell if this person is trying to appear mentally unfit for court, or if he genuinely believes what he's saying. Maybe it's a bit of both, like the deputy hinted. Either way, I have no idea what he's trying to achieve by repeating that his name is Moore. Does he really think the judge is just going to give up and let him walk out? It's baffling. At some point you have to wonder, should judges step in sooner when it's clear someone is just playing games with the court? In cases like this, it really feels like the entire process is being dragged out for no reason. It wastes time, drains resources, and undermines the seriousness of the system. What do you think? Should courts crack down harder on this kind of behavior? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's get back to the hearing.
I think it's
Okay.
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My Honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and put this on. Y'all take him.
Feet
I'm
up.
asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the court.
You might want to chill out.
I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not going to say that. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything is challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get 2 for 12 seconds. The rest of
Let them know I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
After watching that last clip, I honestly can't tell if this person truly believes what he's saying or if he's just putting on a show. It's hard to follow his logic, repeating more over and over like that would change anything. The judge handled it calmly, but you could see the courtroom's patience running thin. And with these Zoom hearings, some people seem to feel more bold, talking over judges, making wild claims, and dragging things out. It raises a good question. Should courts step in faster when someone clearly isn't taking the process seriously? Let me know what you think in the comments. Are these folks confused or just trying to game the system? If you enjoy Courtroom, content like this, hit that like button and subscribe. There's plenty more coming your way.